Morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Very
Morning,
good
sir.
morning. Good morning. Good morning, Anushka. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning,
Good morning, sir.
Ezekiel. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? How was your weekend? Hmm? How was your weekend?
It's
Good. September 5th. So we were doing what? We were doing quadratic equations. So first of all, let me check what Joshua has doubt. Yes, Joshua. Which question you have doubt? Tell me.
Uh, the check your progress 6.3 question number A6 I think.
Yeah. So tell me the question.
Yeah. 4x square minus 8x plus 3 equals 0.
Okay. Okay. So now this is the question, yeah. So we have to multiply first and the last term, so it becomes 12x. Okay, 12x square. So 1x and 1x will come. So what number you want? To get answer as 12, and when you will add it, you will get answer as minus 8.
Yeah.
Tell me. You tell me.
4 and 3 will come.
4 and 3, but it will become 7 now. You need 8. Any other number?
6 and 2.
Yeah, 6 and 2. But when you will add it, you will get plus 8x. You need an answer as minus 8x. So what will you do? You will write minus 6x and minus 2x. Because when you will multiply it, 6 into 2 is 12. And the minus and minus become plus. And minus 6 and minus 2, both are same sign. Same sign, then you have to add it, it becomes minus 8.
Okay.
So 4x square minus 2x minus 6x plus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to take out common, which is 2x. Like because both the terms has 2x, the x will come out, x minus 2. From this, 2x minus 2. And from this, 3 will come out, that will come 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1, equal to 0. Understood?
Yeah.
Listen, write it down. I'll give you one question.
sir, I had another doubt in the questions.
Yeah, please.
Example 6.1, the sixth one. They've told us the answer, but they haven't given the explanation.
Example 6.1. Fifth one or sixth? Fifth and sixth.
Only the sixth one.
Okay. X squared plus root x plus this one, no?
Yes, sir.
So we have to check that this is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, so basically, see this root sign, no? This root sign came, no? So that's why it's not a quadratic equation. Because of the root sign. Like if I will write that thing ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is standard form of writing quadratic equation. In this, x is there, not root x. So that's why it's not a quadratic equation.
Okay.
Okay. So now I will give a solution. Can you do this question? Okay, do this question. Okay, done? Yeah. So I will do it. 25 x minus 5x is 25 minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. And this 5x will turn into 5x minus minus 5x. So we can 5x minus 1 and 5x. Okay. Now this is middle term splitting that we did, and I hope you understood it. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now we will learn about quadratic formula. So please put your pen down. Everyone, put your pen down. Quadratic formula. So what do you mean by quadratic formula? Basically, you can understand it like this. Quadratic formula. First of all, for example, if it is written like this, x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. If this is a question, okay, x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Okay. Now, if this is a question, so how we will use quadratic formula? So first of all, you have to compare it with the uh, standard form of quadratic equation, which gonna be like this. So can you tell me, unmute your mic and tell me what is A, what is B, and what is C? Quickly. Quickly unmute your mic and say A, B, and C in this question.
A is 1,
Yes.
B is minus 7, and C is 12.
B is minus 7 and C is. Now there is a quadratic formula that you have to learn. First is minus B minus root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. And the second one is minus B plus root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. So these are the two formulas that you have to learn. What's the difference between these two formula? Everything will be same. This plus will become minus, the second one. Understood? Yes or no? No, you didn't understand. I'm saying again, this is called as quadratic formula in which we put the values into this to get the value of x. Like we were doing middle term splitting, and then at last we are doing equals to 0 so that we can get the value of x. Na? Ezekiel, did you understand? No. What we were
Why
doing?
do we do the second part again? The middle term splitting I got over here.
Yeah, so this is another way of doing this question.
Okay.
Okay. So what we are doing, we just write this formula, quadratic formula, and we have to put the values into this. So how will you put? So what is B? B is minus 7. So minus was already there, so it becomes minus 7 minus root of minus 7 square. What is my A? A is 1. And what is C? C is 12 upon 2 into 1. The same way minus B means minus of minus 7 plus root b square, which is minus 7 square, minus 4 into 1 into 7, sorry, c, which is 12 upon 2 into 1. Yes or no? So this minus and minus will become plus 7, minus, it will become 49, minus 48 upon 2, and this will become plus 7 plus 49 minus 48 upon 2. It will become 7 minus root 1 upon 2, and this will become 7 plus root 1 upon 2. And the value of root 1 is 1. It will become 7 minus 1 upon 2, 7 plus 1 upon 2. It will become 6 upon 2, which will be 3. And this will become 8 upon 2, which will be 4. So I got two x values, x as 3 and x as 4, to get the answer as 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? Guys, did you understand? Joshua, you didn't understand anything? Anna, turn on your camera, please. Anushka, understood, beta? Jahoan?
Sir, can I keep my camera off?
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
how is it 48 in the plus 7 minus?
Okay. 4 into 12. 12 4 is 48.
Oh, like that.
Okay. So I just multiplied it and I wrote 48. Everyone understood? Ezekiel didn't understand anything. Ask me.
No, I got it.
Okay, write it down then. Quickly write it down. Anna, समझ गए ना?
No, sir. Can I repeat it again? I was doing something else.
See, I just wrote the value of A, B, and C here in this question. Okay. This is quadratic formula that you have to learn. This is important thing. This part is important. I put the value of A, B, C into this question. Okay. And like B is minus 7. So minus was minus 7. Minus was already there. Then minus 7 square plus minus 4 into A, which is 1, into C, which is 12. So you will multiply it, become 48. This minus 7 square will become 49, and the minus minus will become plus. And then 49 minus 48 is 1, and minus was already there, and 2. So 7 minus 1 upon 2, which is 6 upon 2 is 3. Like this I do. I just put the values of A, B, C into this, and I just simply apply math on them. Everyone understood? No. Jehovan? Understood? Okay. Tell me when you're done. Done? Shall I give you one question?
No, sir, I'm still writing.
Okay. How's Mama? Hannah? Is she fine?
Your leg is still swelling, but the pain is reduced.
Okay. Damn hungry. Why I don't know. I have craving of pizza right now. Who loves pizza? Okay, done. Shall I do this? Okay, so I will give you one question. Do this with quadratic formula, okay? Okay. So first compare it with quadratic formula. A, B, and C, write the value of A, B, C, and the formula. Formula I will write it on the board, which is minus B minus root
So I
of
had a
B
question.
square.
It's just like a doubt.
Yes, please.
How do we know which will be A, which will be B, which will be C?
Yeah, you have to. I told you now to find the quadratic. What is standard form of writing quadratic formula?
Okay, okay.
You tell me.
The standard A1. Is it that?
Yeah, yeah, like this only. A will be 1, and B.
B will be 2. No, it won't be.
No.
1 second.
If
Ah,
nothing is there,
yes. It'll be just
then
1.
but minus 1, no? Minus is also
Oh yeah,
there.
-1. And C will be -12.
The simple.
Okay, so we just put that into the equation and solve it.
Very good, Ezekiel. Good boy. You're so intelligent.
I hope that wasn't sarcastic.
Today I played badminton and I lost every match. That's why I'm tired.
Yeah. So please eat well after this.
Huh?
Eat well after this.
Yeah,
Just don't
but it's not
overeat.
because. No, I won last match. I won last match. It was intense, but because of shuttle, not my skill. My skill is perfect. Write it down.
Sir, I'm kind of confused with the square root and all that. Could you do this one?
Which part? Okay, you tell me what to do. You tell me. Anna will tell. Come on, Anna.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's -1
So first,
minus,
the B has minus. Then you have to write minus of minus. Why?
because it already has a minus, but the symbol is minus already given.
Then
Minus root -1 square minus 4 1 into -12 upon 2 into 1. And then the next one is minus of -1 plus root -1 square minus 4 1 into -12
Okay.
upon 2a. Wait, 2 into 1.
Yeah. Now what will you do?
For the first one, it's you have to multiply the minus into minus, which will be equal to +1 minus root 1 minus.
See, this is minus and this is minus. 2 times
So
minus is repeating, then it will become plus. And 4
plus
2
48
is 12.
upon 2.
Hmm.
And the next one is 1 plus root 1 minus plus 48 upon 2.
Then
I think you have to cancel out the minus root 1 plus 48 and the plus root 1 48.
no, these are not one equation. These are different things. You can't solve this and this. This is this will solve separately and this will solve separately.
Okay, sir.
Do not mix and match it.
Oh,
Then
what's it? Okay.
1 plus 48 will become 49.
And then the next
Yes or
one
no?
is, yes, sir.
Then next one.
1 plus root 49 upon 2.
Then next.
I'm kind of confused with that part.
Now what is the root of 49?
7.
Then
So
sorry.
the next one would be -6 upon 2. And then 8 upon
And what's the answer?
-3 and 4.
Yeah, you got the answer. So you have two values, x is minus b. It's 4. You got two values. Guys, understood? No, still you have doubt. Joshua?
I did the till plus 1 minus root 1 plus 48 like that, but I didn't get the
Okay.
last part.
See, you have to add it, so it will become 49.
Yeah.
Now root of 49 is?
2.
Now root of 49.
Root
49, 49. See, okay. So basically, if you will write root 49, Okay. So you have to do prime factorization of 49. So it becomes 7 and 7 and 7 and 1. So it means that 49 can be written as 7 multiplied by 7. Okay. Now you have to do pairing. Only if two numbers are there, then out of this only one number will come out. So we have 7 into 7 pairs. So from this one number will come out, it becomes 7. So it means that root 49 can be written as 7. So that's why I wrote 7.
Uh,
So 1 minus 7 upon 2, which is minus 6 upon 2, is minus 3. And 1 plus 7 upon 2, which is 8 upon 2, is 4. Everyone got it? Yes or no? Huh? I'll give you one question. Okay, do this. Yes, Joshua, why are you sitting? Have doubt?
no,
Then do the question.
no, I'm doing the notes.
Okay, quickly write it on the. Then you have to do the notes also. And once you get with the quadratic formula, I want you to do this with middle term splitting also, the factor form. Okay, and then check that are you getting same answer now. Done?
I'm doing a middle term splitting.
You got the same answer like this? Okay. Who got the different answer? Who is the unique one? Who is the unique one, guys? Turn on the camera, please. Jahan, Anushka, Joshua, you got the same answer?
No, I'm doing it. I'm going to finish.
Okay. So where you got stuck?
Actually, again, last part.
Okay, so you're not able to understand it, or you got it, or you're doing it?
Yeah, I'm not able to understand that.
Which part, beta? Tell me.
The
Which step?
9
This step.
minus, yeah, till that much.
Okay, this root 9. How to solve root 9?
Is
You're not
it
able to understand?
3
Huh?
with
Sorry.
3?
Sorry?
Like 3 3s are 9. Is it 3?
Yeah, it is a 9 because we got like root 9 is there. So we can write like this 3 multiplied by 3. I got pair of 2. Yeah, this pair I got. No? So after this only one 3 will come out. So root 9 can be written as 3. That's a root 3. Okay. Jahan, you got it? Correct answer? No?
No, I got a different answer. I confused my A and B.
Uh, Anushka, you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ezekiel,
It
you
was
have
slightly
joy.
different. I confused the equation,
Okay.
like in the equation. Yeah,
For writing A, B, and C.
yeah. I did not pay much attention, so I messed it up.
Uh, Anna, answer आ गया ना?
Sir. I got the correct answer.
Okay, very good. Okay, shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay. Johan, you're writing or shall I raise this? What? I didn't get it.
You can
Okay. You want me to clear, na? Johan, do you want me to clear this? Okay. Okay, then we'll do one more question. You do this question. Both the method, okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
does the quadratic equation really have to take your entire page?
Yeah, sorry.
Does the equation really have to take your entire page? Because while writing, it does. Like the entire page goes in just one position.
I'm good. You're writing every step it means. And that is correct way of writing. And Anushka, you send me the TMN. Now you wrote question number one and the answer.
Yeah.
So now underline it with the black line so that you can say that now my question is completed.
Underline what with the black?
Like question number one, you wrote question number one with the black
Okay.
pen, then answer with the blue pen.
Yeah.
After the completion of answer, just underline it with the black pen. Okay, so that it can be look like that your question answer is completed. Then question number
Okay.
two, answer. Then after that again one line. Question number three, answer. Then again one line.
With black pen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, you said that this problem, like the previous one, you could also do it in the middle term splitting method. Is it like the same type?
Yeah, the answer will be same.
Okay, so but sorry, I don't get how you do it with the middle term splitting thing.
Okay, so you do this one, then we'll do the middle term splitting of this question.
Okay, sir.
Then you will get idea.
So I got different answers by doing both the methods, and then I can't figure out where I made the mistake.
This what answer you got? Is this one?
Yeah, in the factorization I got this answer. In the other one I got another answer.
I got the middle term splitting, sir, but I think I have to do some more practice on the quadratic formula. I'm getting a bit confused with that.
Okay. What confusion you're facing? Tell me. What type of confusion you're facing?
Like while solving it, I'm just making some mistakes. I'm not able to. I'm not sure what mistakes I'm making, but I'm getting the answer wrong. So
Okay, okay. So Joshua, you got the same answer?
No.
Where you got stuck?
I got stuck in the middle term splitting.
And the quadratic formula you got the answers?
Yeah, but I think it's wrong.
Okay, where you did wrong? Which step?
This time I did wrong in the thing with the equation.
Means finding A, B, and C.
Yeah, I got confused with that.
What confusion you're facing?
I confused with the A and B.
Okay. So A is the coefficient of x square and B is the coefficient of x.
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, you have to do a lot of hard work. Yes, Anushka, you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Both middle term splitting and quadratic formula?
Yes, sir.
Jahan, you got the same answer? No? Where you got stuck?
I got a little bit lost in the quadratic formula.
Oh, okay. Yes. Hannah, where you did
Yeah,
mistakes?
instead of -10, I put 7, and the whole sum went wrong from the start.
Congratulations. Okay. Anna,
Yes.
कहाँ अटक गई ना? Where you got stuck?
The square root and stuff like that.
Okay, okay. So you guys have to do a lot of practice. And for then a lot of practice will come with a little homework. So I'll give you little homework for that. So then you will check in group. I send you 10 questions. We have to do with build up splitting as well as point. Okay. And it is like this. Okay. X, X. So it means that X is power. Okay. You will see the group. Then it becomes like X, like basically the X power. This question I asked from meta AI. Now, AI, we are as many experts as possible.
Wow.
So this is your little homework only. No.
So what are we supposed to do in this thing?
In this thing, like the question is written like this. Right?
So the question hasn't come yet, right?
Huh?
You're not going to send the question, right?
I said,
You did?
yeah. The question is written like this. It means that it is x to the power of 3 plus dx plus 2. So you have to find the value of x with both the way, quadratic way also and with the middle term splitting way. Okay. And one more little. Yeah.
In 6.4, we have to do only 2, right?
Yeah. Full question. Full. So Anushka is asking for more. Okay, Anushka.
No.
Ezekiel wants more, no? Ezekiel, you want more? Or are you satisfied with this little homework?
More than satisfied.
So be content. Okay. So, hello, everyone say bye bye to Anushka. Bye, Anushka. Bye, Anna. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Then, guys, you have 4 minutes break, then come back with the science lab. Which chapter we were doing? Can you remind me? I forgot.
Classification of elements.
Okay, perfect.
Well, there's an option to ask Meta AI to solve all the questions in the same thing.
No, you can't do that. Now you will get question and question. Okay, come back everyone. Come back, guys. To the camera. We'll start a science class.
So I have a question regarding the homework. We have to do the first 10 or the second 20 sums?
Yeah, you can choose
Yes, sir.
21, not the 10 one.
Okay.
I love this Vishaya. I can generate as many as questions now for you guys. Are you excited? uh, okay. So we were doing. Now everyone turn on the camera, please. We'll start at chapter number 6. Turn on the camera. Jonathan, Joshua, Ezekiel, Tupi, 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 Beverly, Beverly. Okay, so now today is your oral test. Okay. So I'll ask Ezekiel, what is the statement of Mendeleev periodic table?
The state, like the law.
Yeah.
He stated that I think all I think I don't know exactly the law, but he classified them on the basis of their properties and atomic mass, and he placed elements with similar properties.
Good acting. Oh, okay. So Johan, can you tell me Mendeleev's periodic function law?
Did I disconnect?
Yeah, now it's connected.
Okay,
I
yeah.
thought you were doing acting like this.
No. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know the law exactly, but I know like he classified them on the basis of their properties and atomic
Okay.
mass, and then
Okay.
he placed the elements with similar properties under it. If he couldn't find a similar element with a similar property, he left that space for elements yet to be discovered.
But that is merit. I'm asking that line.
That line I don't remember.
Yeah. Johan, you remember?
I think it is atoms are placed
Right.
increasing order of the atomic mass.
Mendeleev.
Sorry, say it again.
Oh yes.
Johan, say it again.
Elements are all placed in increasing order of atomic mass.
Yeah, but that is the like that is the
The
way.
chemical and physical properties of elements are a periodic function of the atomic masses.
Yeah, very good reading.
Yeah, I know I was.
Very good reading. Okay. This is oral test. No need to read. Okay. So Hannah, what are the demerits of Newland's octave law?
So I forgot to prepare for the test.
Very good. Then you remember, na? You should remember at least one or two.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Demerit of Newland's classification.
So there is a lot of stuff I can't remember without studying.
Joshua, you know
Uh,
that सारे gamma pada nisa wala जो था,
the octaves.
that one. Yeah, the octave one. What are the demerits of that classification?
I don't know.
No, you didn't prepare?
I didn't prepare for the octaves.
Okay. So tomorrow be prepared. Okay. So we learned now that Newland's octave law. What is that? He because of noble gas, he has to make one more column for that. Now for because of that, the octave is not properly right on the and we learned that he arranged the item with 40 marks. It calcium mode, not all the atoms, because all the atoms, it's not applicable of that. But because of these types of things, the Newland octaves get rejected. Okay. Now today we learn about the final modern periodic law. It is given by Henry Moseley. There is a Henry Moseley. Yeah, Henry Moseley. So he saw everything and he find it out when they are arranging in the atomic masses, they are getting failure in their life. So he thinks out of the box and he says, I will change the mass with the numbers. So he arranged all the elements on the basis of increasing atomic number. Atomic number which is presented by J, which is equal to the number of number. Understood? So everything of the Mendeleev law is same. Okay, but it says that the chemical and the physical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers, not the atomic masses. Mendeleev told us about mass now. He tells us about the numbers. So if you will arrange in the increasing atomic numbers, then you will find some trends. Trends means atomic size increases or whatever the trends or the gradation that we learned now. That is the trend. Understood? Yes or no? Now, one of the major issue of Mendeleev's table was what? The position of isotopes. Yes, the isotopes, what are the isotopes we learned? They have same atomic number but different mass number. If they have different mass numbers, according to the Mendeleev, we arrange in the atomic mass number. So it means that this also be placed and this also be placed because they have different atomic mass. So Mendeleev didn't able to do that. But it is resolved in the Henry Moseley modern periodic table. Why? Because Henry Moseley didn't consider about mass. He considered it as an atomic number. So both have same atomic number, then no need to place into it. Understood? It also has six. It also has six. It means that this is the same atomic number, so he places it as a six. So no need to arrange of atomic mass and that and that and that. So every the demerit of the Mendeleev periodic table is fixed by the Henry Moseley. Moseley. Yes or no? Guys, did you understand? Now I want you to read from here to here. I'm giving you 2 minutes quickly, 11:5 to 11:7. From here to here. In this paragraph. Done? 1 minute left. Okay. Now we'll learn about the periodicity. So where is the modern periodic table? Yeah, this is modern periodic table. So you can see that. Can you see this modern periodic table? Is it tilted?
Yeah, it's tilted.
I can't believe it. It's gonna be like this. FFP. Okay. So if you will see it, okay, then you can see this is hydrogen, helium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Okay. So he plays in the group number one. Why? Because the atomic number is one. Atomic number is one. And this has atomic number two. So 3, 4, 5, 6, like this here again. And we find it out. This group number one element is called as alkyl element.
Your voice is cracking.
Okay, I'm saying from in group number two, except hydrogen. In group number one, except hydrogen, this group is called as alkali metal. You can see that it is marked with the red color, so it is alkali metal. Yes or no? Yes or no? And the group number two is called as alkaline earth metal. So these are also called as base metal. We'll learn this in the coming chapters. When you will dissolve it into water, it will create base. It will create what? Base. Did you understand? No? Yeah. Now what is acid base? The base is basically it's the soapy to touch. Like the soap which we are using for our bathing, so it's base. It has base. We'll learn all this thing in the coming chapter. Okay. Then this parts is called as lengthenoid. What? Lengthenoid. Then this is called as actinoid. Then no. Oh, sorry, I did mistake. Sorry. This is called as lengthenoid. Sorry. This is called as lengthenoid. Above the actinoid, series is called as lengthenoid. Okay. This is called as transitional. And this has the noble gas. This is called as halogen.
What is a lanthanide, sir?
This one is
Okay, that group of elements.
yeah.
Okay.
This is called as length. Okay. Now this one is called as metal, but poor metal. Poor metal why? Because they are very hard to react. So it is called as poor metal. But they are the metal only. Now you can see this part. This part. Boron, silicon, gallium, arsenic, antimony, gallium, polonium. So this is called as metal. So what are the metalloids? So in the beginning of the chapter, I told you metalloids behave like metal as well as non-metal also. Okay, and these are called as non-metals. This one from carbon. These are called as non-metal. Okay, yes or no? Okay. So he also arranged because he's the what we can say assistant of Manley. So he also arranged in group and in periods. The group goes from down to up, and periods go from left to right. Yes or no? So he arranged 18 groups and 7 periods. Yes or no? 18 group and 7 periods. So now you can see that group. Can you read this?
Which part, sir?
There are 18.
What?
Okay.
Okay. There are 18 vertical columns in the periodic table. Each vertical column is called a group. The groups have been numbered from 1 to 18 in Arabic numerals. All elements present in a group have similar electronic configurations and have same number of valence electrons. You can see in case of group 1, which are alkali metals, and group 17 elements, which are halogens.
So you can see that group number 1 is there. So they have one electron in the outermost shell. You can see it's heading to 1. So it means that they have the similar property of having outermost electron has 1. 17 is there. So in last 7 is there. So every element have 7 in the outermost shell. Yes or no? If I will draw the structure of fluorine, so it's gonna be like this. This is the nucleus, this K shell, and this L shell. So in K shell, 2 electrons, in L shell, 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes or no? This is how it works. Understood? Yeah, read it. If you can.
Okay. All elements of group 1 have only one valence electron. Lithium has electrons in 2 shells, sodium in 3, potassium in 4, and rubidium in 5 shells. Similarly, all the elements of group 17 have 7 valence electrons. However, the number of shells is increasing from 2 in fluorine to 5 in iodine. Shall
So
I?
you can see that if you will go down to the group, then at each step, one shell is increasing. Like in lithium, 2 shells are there, A and F. In sodium, 3 shells are there, A, L, and M. In potassium, 4 shells are there, A, L, M, N. In rubidium, 5 shells are there, A, L, M, N, O. So down to the group, if you will go one by one, then you will see that each time one shell increases. Understood? But the last valence electron or the last electron will be same. Understood? In the group. Yes or no? Yeah? Yeah. Read the next one.
2 periods. Okay. There are 7 horizontal rows in the periodic table. Each row is called a period. The elements in a period have consecutive atomic numbers. The periods have been numbered from 1 to 7 in Arabic numerals. In each period, a new shell starts filling up. The period number is also the number of the shell which starts filling up as we move from left to right across that particular period. For example, in elements of third period, the third shell starts filling up as we move from left to right. The first element of this period, which is
Yeah. If you will see, like sodium line. This is sodium line. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus. So they all are coming in three number period now. So it means that how many shells will be there? They will have 3 shells. 1, 2, 3. So period is basically shows us about number of shells. If the period number is 7, then how many shells will be there? 7 shells will be there. If period number is 5, then how many shells will be there? 5 shells will be there. So period denotes us as a number of shells. Okay? Yes or no? The next part, please.
which
Yeah.
parts?
Okay.
Okay, first element
Next.
of the period, sodium has only 1 electron in its valence shell, while the last element of this period, argon, has 8 electrons in its valence shell. The gradual filling of the third shell can be seen below.
So you can see that when you're going left like this, left to the period, from left to right, then each element will increasing one electron. Okay, you can see that it has one in the last, then two, then three, then four, five, six. So in down to the group, there is no increasing in the electron. In the outermost shell, it was already one from up to down. So when you go across the period, then one by one, the electron is increasing. Yes or no? Okay. The next part. Yeah, read this.
The first period is the
This is
shortest period of
important.
all. It contains only two elements, hydrogen and helium. The second and the third periods are called short periods, containing 8 elements each. The fourth and fifth periods are long periods containing 18 elements each. The sixth and seventh periods are very long periods containing 32 elements each.
So they can ask you in fill in the blank. Okay. So you have to remember this. That first period is called as the shortest, and then short, and then long, and then longest. So you have to remember this: how many electrons, how many elements are there. Like in first period, two. In second period, third period, eight. Then fourth and fifth is 18 and 19. You still have to remember this. Okay. Yeah. Next part.
The elements present in groups 1 and 2 on the left side and groups 13 to 17 on the right side of the periodic table are called
See,
representative
guys.
main group elements.
The main group elements, I represent it with MG. Okay. So there are two types of main groups of elements are there. First is alkali and alkali or metal, and the second one is metalloid and metalloid and non-metal. So in this group number one, group number two, and the poor metal having a group number 13. They will in this group number 14, 15, 16, 17 will. And these are called as main group L. Noble gases are not coming under the main group. Noble group are the 18th one, and because they have 8 in the last, so it means that the when you will make the octet of that, so in last shell, how many electrons will be there? 8 will be there, because they are also ending with the 8. Okay, understood? So that's why they are the most stable gases. Okay, so we'll end this class till here only, and then tomorrow when we will come, then we'll end this chapter. Tomorrow we'll complete. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class, and then bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Bye bye. Bye bye.